What is one thing for you to focus on today, dear Libra? And this is key. Only one thing. And I say this because then you have the opportunity to bring your attention to where it really matters and not move at a pace that is too fast for the mental, too fast for the physical, too fast for your life, which then becomes a detriment to your health. One thing, when you wake up today, what do I love to focus on today? That's it. Without a list of 300 different things. Otherwise, your life just becomes a list. It's just a list of things that you have to get done each day and tick off and get it done, and tick off and just get it done. And it becomes, I forgot that movie. Anyway, it's just, you're just going around in circles, constantly just ticking off the next thing and the next thing. And did I get my list done? Great. What's my list for tomorrow? And then I've got to now create a list for the next 7 weeks of my life. And then I've got to create. Stop. Come back here. What's one thing I love to focus on today? And let that be your entire focus for the day.